whenever we come into a pharmacy, like जब भी हम pharmacy में admission लेते हैं, okay, so we think about to make our future in either production, either QC, QA, R&D, many things are in there which we think to make career in. Okay, even if someone has a unique thought, so he will think about clinical research. Are you getting your voice?
Yes, sir.
When someone will मतलब बहुत rarely हो सकता है clinical research के बारे में वो सोच सकता है.
Yes, sir.
But no one is talking about to make an own company. Is there anyone who is thinking? Anyone like जो भी सोच रहा हो like वो company खोले कुछ? Anyone? So these. So what is the basic need behind making a company? If someone is just thinking कि अगर कोई कंपनी खोलना चाहता है, okay, if anyone is thinking, okay, और अगर वो सिर्फ इस वजह से नहीं खोल रहा है कि like I don't have money, so you are wrong. If you want to open company, so it can be open in just 3 lakh rupees also. Even in 3 lakh rupees, you can open your own company. Seriously, I'm not at all kidding. But how it can be possible? Let me tell you. If I'm thinking to open a pharmacy company, okay, after my degree, so what I have to do? If I'm just thinking it, so मैं एक काम करूँगा, मतलब मुझे मशीन चाहिए, मुझे हर एक चीज़ चाहिए, like एक फार्मेसी कंपनी ओपन करने के लिए मुझे सारी चीज़ें चाहिए, okay, but that is not even possible. अगर मैं उन सब में पैसा लगाऊंगा, so उसका टर्नओवर 1 करोड़ से भी ऊपर जा सकता है for a proper pharmaceutical company. So what I have to do? एक चीज़ होती है थर्ड पार्टी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. आई थिंक टीचर्स हैव क्लियर दैट थर्ड पार्टी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. व्हाट इज इट? मींस anyone have knowledge about it? Anyone? So third party manufacturing is what? Is means there are lots of search engines are being there. Okay, there are lots of search engines are being there where company will work for us. We'll have to give an X amount and company will work for us. What is the issue? Like अब कोई भी एक particular product है, behind that product वहाँ पर लिखा होगा manufactured by that particular company, but marketed by me. Are you getting my point? There is no such company which has been made in India. Okay, tell me a few names of any pharmaceutical company. Anyone knows? Cipla, Lupin, Mankind. Anyone? Yes. Can you please speak louder, please?
Glenmark.
I can't hear, please.
ये सब. Glenmark.
Landmark, yeah. There are lots of pharmaceutical companies which are being there. अच्छा आपको पता है? In our India itself, Mankind Pharma and Sun Pharma. What is the ratio of Sun Pharma? Like, do you know like what is its brand value right now? 4.4 million. And the guy has started from 10,000 rupees. So if he can start from 10,000 rupees and now he has a proper pharmaceutical company of 4.4 million rupees, so even we can think. Because no one is talking about it. Everyone is just wants to join with the pharmaceutical companies, wants to do jobs. But why don't we can also even end company on it? Why can't we can be a CEO of any company? Okay, so actually Yashraj sir already told a lot about it. I even didn't prepare a lot. Just few knowledge I just have. So I just thought to share in front of you all. Just I want to tell you, like behind startup can be failed also. What can be the reason? Just I'm gonna tell you. मीन्स अगर आपने कोई स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया है तो उसके फेल होने के चांसेस क्यों हो सकते हैं? जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, देन आई विल स्विच. ओके, सो अगर आपने कोई स्टार्टअप किया है, इट डजंट मैटर्स दैट यू आर अप्लाइंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. इफ यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, इट डजंट इंश्योर्स दैट यू विल गेट सक्सेस इन इट. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? इट डजंट इंश्योर्स. सो बिहाइंड पुटिंग एनी, इफ यू आर putting X amount in any pharmaceutical company, in anything, you should have a proper idea behind it. You should have a proper innovation behind it. You should have an idea for it, like what I want to do, what is the process. Okay, are you getting my point? And there should be, means this is the failure. This can be the reason behind the failure. One more thing is being there, which is what? You are investing a lot of money and you don't get the data. यार मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट तो 35 लाख का हुआ था, पर यहाँ पे नुकसान 36 लाख का कैसे हो गया? Are you getting my point? So there should be proper data you should manage, and you can start from this also, and you can get succeed. So think about it. If you can think about jobs also, if you can think about academics also, so you can also think about making your own pharmaceutical company. Thank you, sir.